Hi everyone, it's Cindy here. I'm joining you from the Yoga Body Elements Wellness Center here in Chicago. And I'm getting on because I'm super excited that many of you have reached out really in this past week asking about our 2026 retreats. And I'm coming on to help answer some of those questions and also to give you a little more details on how you can move forward if you are wanting to book a retreat, whether it's a retreat for your small group, your family, or your business. We'll start with the retreat that's already on the schedule. Yes, we do have an urban retreat on the schedule in Chicago, scheduled for Saturday, March 21st from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We're going to start at the Yoga Body Elements Wellness Center, and then we're going to have an outside nature portion to that retreat where we'll walk over to the lake, spend some time with the water, and then we'll close back here with some art and some more wellness practices. That retreat is currently available for 10, and we might be able to squeeze a few more in. So if you are interested in joining the March Urban Retreat, scroll down on this page. You will find the link somewhere, and you can also text the Wellness Center if you have questions or email cindy@cindyhuston.com. And some of you have been asking about our nationwide retreats across North America, specifically to Starved Rock, which is just outside of Chicago, which we have hosted retreat in the past, and then also in Colorado and Wisconsin. So if you are interested in any of those locations, we are in conversation with a few other locations, Sedona and also Florida. So if those are any interest to you to do a retreat together, you can also put in your request. Really what we need is your dates and times that you're wanting to host your retreat with us, and it would be great to get your group on the schedule, and then also to know if you would be open to having another group join you on the retreat for a greater experience, or other individuals join the retreat experience as well. So we have those options, and so just send your location request. And if you are wanting to have a private retreat, most locations we would need to have 8 registrations minimum. Sometimes it's 10, sometimes it's 15, so it just depends on the lodging and the location. So send your guest list, send your request, what wellness practices, if you would like to request any wellness practices, services to be a part of your retreat, and we can get that set up for you in 2026. And I will have those Colorado dates for you very soon. Again, thank you so much for your interest and curiosity and wanting to come to Yoga Body Elements for your wellness practices, to support you and what it is that you're creating in the world, so you can continue to show up powerfully for yourself and those you love. Until then, send me any questions, any messages you might have, and look forward to going on retreats with you in 2026. Bye for now.